Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve one of the most annoying issues, that is Instagram Reels not working on Android. Many users have complained about this issue, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Instagram Reels are not playing on Android with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Most probably Instagram Reels are not playing due to weak internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then fix it by trying some basic tips like: turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 2. Restart your Instagram app and device. Since the issue is related to apps, so the first thing you need to do to resolve this issue is relaunching the Instagram app. So, give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the issue or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. This can help in fixing Instagram Reels not showing up on Android. Solution 3. Re-log in your Instagram account. Several users have found that logging out from their Instagram account and logging in back into it usually helps to fix various Instagram issues, including Instagram Reels not showing up or not working. So, you have to do the same thing to solve this problem. For this, you have to open your Instagram profile page by clicking on the profile icon. Then, make a tap on the menu icon, which is located in the top right corner. From here, you need to choose the settings. Then, scroll down and hit the logout option. After some time, again open the app and relog into your Instagram account. Now check if you can see your Instagram Reels. Solution 4. Clear Instagram app cache and data. Whenever you come across app crashing, freezing or any errors on your phone, then once you should clear cache and data of that particular app. The same thing goes for Instagram as well. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Instagram. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 5. Update Instagram app. Sometimes an outdated version of Instagram app can cause a problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to fix Instagram Reels not showing up issue, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the Instagram and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Solution 6. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram app. When you're using your Instagram app, the more you use it, the more bits of data and files will be on your device. Over time and through phone and app updates, things tend to get a bit messy and links can break, and files can go missing, which causes Instagram app related issues. To give yourself a clean start, you can reinstall the app from the Google Play Store, giving you a fresh installation to start again while clearing any potential bugs you may have been experiencing. To uninstall the app, find the Instagram app on your device's home screen and long press on it, then tap Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Instagram app. Go to Google Play Store and type Instagram in search box. Click on Instagram and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app and see whether Instagram Reels is now showing up or not. Solution 7. Report a problem to Instagram support team. If your Instagram Reels not showing up even after uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app, Don't lose hope. You still have the last option that can help you to this issue: report a problem to the Instagram support team. To do so, you have to open your Instagram account. Then, tap on the hamburger icon, 3 horizontal lines, that is located at the upper left corner. After that, click on Settings, Help option. Once a prompt appears on the screen, tap on Report a problem. Now, here you need to type your problem example: couldn't see or use my Instagram Reels. You may also take the screenshot of that issue and hit on Submit button, and that's it. So, this is all about fixing Instagram Reels not working on Android. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.